For your consideration is just about mint Nakamichi 700 Tri-Tracer 3-head cassette deck. As you can see in the light, the bright work is superb. All lettering is intact. All lights are working. The wood cabinet itself is in superb condition. This even has the original foot pads on the bottom of the wooden feet. This table's in full working order. Chord functions have been tested and they are working. There's one mark on this table to note. There is a small scratch here on the front, as you can see in direct light. Other than that, this thing's mint. There's no static in any of the controls. We have pause, play, we have fast forward, belt counter is working. We have rewind. All this is at a rapid pace. And you, of course, can do play on the fly. Of all the cassette decks I've ever owned, Nakamichi was a top flight. They still sound great today, and they're still holding up. One of the best cassette decks, in my opinion, that you can own. Thanks for considering, and good luck bidding.